Welcome to Puerto Blanco in Calpe. Right on the seafront, this villa places you just steps from the beautiful beaches and only a few minutes walk from the old town of Calpe. With 826 square metres plot and a 470 square metres of living space, this really is the gem of the Costa Blanca. All the rooms in this property feature double glazing, hot and cold air conditioning system, integrated LED lights, piped music for your comfort and security. This spectacular villa features 4 double bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Each bedroom has their own ensuite bathroom, which makes it comfortable for everyone. The master bedroom also includes a walk-in dressing room, and from here you also have beautiful sea views right across the Mediterranean. One of the many benefits of this property is the internal integrated elevator that feeds all floors. So for maximum comfort, we have it right next to the kitchen and it takes you to all the floors in the house. This spectacular home doesn't only offer the breathtaking views, it also has its own private wellness centre, which incorporates a sauna, jacuzzi, Turkish bath, and it also has a kitchen area for your comfort. And of course it comes with a private garage for space for one vehicle, and here you would also find an entrance to the internal lift. Outside of the property you will find a fantastic Mediterranean garden that incorporates the whole property, where you will find a beautiful infinity pool with breathtaking views over the Mediterranean and panoramic views across Puerto Blanco harbour. Located in one of Calpe's most sought after areas, which is prized for its exclusivity and natural surroundings. Contact Esphouses today to arrange a viewing of this wonderful property where we will make your dreams become a reality.